Hey guys, we received this Jorgensen Japanese pull saw, hand saw, 9.5 inches, folding dovetail saw with a rubber handle. So this is a SK5 steel single edge, and there's a blade toolless quick change. So this one comes in this, so this is not foldable one, and you can just use it directly. As you can see it here, let me just take this out and then show it to you. So the handle is around 13 inches and 22 and a half total length. And you can see the quality of the saw here. The blades are around like 240 mm in length, 1.2 mm pitch, 0.3 mm thickness, and 0.45 mm curve. So it is protective thing, and you can see the blades. They are really sharp and good for cutting up the wood easily. The handle is also like easy to grip and is an anti-slip design with the ABS and the TP handle. So a nice one and extra thin and the toolless blood change also there is a button you can use so you can easily change the blade. So very nice saw and as a protective thing is easy to grip as well.